Do you struggle to burn off that stubborn belly fat no matter what? Most of us are tired of diets that leave us feeling drained and hungry, with little to show for it. But know this, there is a way to melt fat fast, while keeping your energy levels sky high throughout the day. It might sound impossible, but today, we're diving into the keto hack that will change the way you approach weight loss forever. We'll break down the science of why this works and reveal exactly how you can make it happen, without the common pitfalls that sabotage most people. Welcome to Levitas. The ketogenic diet, often called keto, is all about changing the way your body fuels itself. Typically, your body relies on carbohydrates as its primary energy source. When you eat carbs, they are easily converted into glucose, which provides quick energy. However, when you drastically reduce carb intake, like in keto, your body shifts gears and enters a metabolic state known as ketosis. In ketosis, your body turns to fat stores for fuel instead of glucose. This change forces your body to break down fats into molecules called ketones, which are then used as an energy source. By running on ketones instead of glucose, the body becomes more efficient at burning fat, not just from the food you eat, but also stored body fat. As a result, you start to notice fat loss, particularly in stubborn areas like the belly. Keto also keeps your blood sugar stable, preventing energy crashes and reducing hunger, making it easier to stick with the diet long term. Once you lower your carbohydrate intake significantly, your body has to find an alternative source of energy to keep functioning. That's where fat steps in. Normally, your cells rely on glucose for fuel, but when glucose is scarce, your liver starts converting stored fats into ketone bodies. This process is called ketogenesis, and it marks a fundamental shift in how your body fuels itself. Ketones become the primary energy source for your brain, muscles, and other tissues, effectively replacing glucose. The beauty of this metabolic state is that fat becomes highly accessible. Instead of being locked away in fat cells, your body breaks it down and uses it for energy. This means you not only burn the fat you consume, but you also tap into your body's own fat reserves for fuel. This is what leads to rapid fat loss, as long as you remain in ketosis. Plus, using fat as fuel tends to maintain energy levels more steadily than the spikes and crashes caused by glucose, meaning you feel more energetic throughout the day. While keto is effective, there are several common mistakes that can hinder your progress. One major mistake is exaggerating with protein. While protein is essential for muscle maintenance, excess protein can be converted into glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis, and this could kick you out of ketosis and slow down fat loss. Another common mistake is not consuming enough healthy fats. People often fear fat, but on keto, fat is your primary fuel. If you don't eat enough, your body can't maintain ketosis. It's also crucial to avoid hidden carbs. Many processed, keto-friendly products are packed with hidden sugars and carbs that can sabotage your progress. Overeating is another pitfall. Just because keto allows for more freedom with fats doesn't mean calories don't matter. If you consistently eat more than you burn, you won't lose weight. Finally, hydration and electrolyte balance are key. Since keto causes the body to release water and salts, failing to replenish them can lead to fatigue, weakness, and even slow down fat metabolism. Yes, keto can absolutely be combined with intermittent fasting, and doing so can supercharge your fat loss efforts. Keto and fasting work well together because both encourage your body to burn fat for fuel. While keto limits your carbohydrate intake, fasting further depletes your body's glucose reserves, pushing you deeper into ketosis. This makes fat even more accessible as a fuel source. To combine the two, start with intermittent fasting protocols like the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Since you're already in ketosis, fasting becomes easier because your body is already used to burning fat for energy. During the fasting window, your insulin levels stay low, further promoting fat burning. However, it's important to break your fast with a meal that's rich in fats and in proteins to stay in ketosis. Make sure you stay hydrated and keep your electrolyte levels balanced, as fasting combined with keto can quickly deplete your body of salts and minerals. Done correctly, keto and fasting together can help you melt fat fast while maintaining energy levels throughout the day. The time it takes to enter ketosis varies from person to person but generally takes anywhere from 2 to 7 days. This depends on how drastically you cut your carb intake, how active you are, and how much fat you consume. To speed up the process, it's helpful to reduce carbs to below 20 to 50 grams per day and engage in moderate physical activity to deplete your glycogen stores faster. Once in ketosis, your body begins to relearn how to efficiently burn fat for fuel, but it can take a few weeks for this process to fully optimize. During the first few days, some might experience a slight dip in energy as your body adapts, especially if you are dehydrated. This is because your cells are used to running on glucose and need time to transition to burning fat. After about 4 to 6 weeks, your body becomes fat adapted, meaning it's highly efficient at breaking down and using fats and ketones for energy. This is when you'll likely feel your best, more energized, with fewer cravings, and experiencing faster fat loss. Keto can help target stubborn belly fat, but it requires consistency. One of the reasons belly fat is so difficult to lose is because it's often linked to insulin resistance. When you eat too many carbs, your body produces more insulin, which tells your body to store fat, especially around the abdomen. Keto lowers insulin levels significantly by reducing your carbohydrate intake, which allows your body to access and burn stored fat more easily, including that stubborn fat around your belly. When you're in ketosis, your body becomes a fat-burning machine, targeting fat stores as its primary energy source. Studies have shown that people on a ketogenic diet lose more abdominal fat compared to those on high-carb diets. Additionally, keto reduces cravings and helps control hunger hormones like ghrelin, making it easier to stick with the diet. Over time, this can lead to not just weight loss, but fat loss in the most stubborn areas, like the belly, where insulin resistance tends to be most problematic. Keto flu refers to the symptoms some people experience when first starting the ketogenic diet. It can include headaches, fatigue, irritability, dizziness, and muscle cramps. This happens because your body is adjusting to burning fat instead of carbs, and it's losing water and electrolytes in the process. To avoid keto flu, make sure to drink plenty of water and replenish electrolytes, especially sodium, potassium, and magnesium. You can do this by adding a pinch of salt to your water, eating avocados, leafy greens, and taking a magnesium supplement. Staying hydrated and maintaining electrolyte balance can help you avoid keto flu altogether. In conclusion, a keto food plan offers a powerful way to burn fat efficiently while maintaining energy, by switching your body's fuel source from glucose to fat. By entering ketosis, reducing insulin levels, and burning fat more effectively, keto helps target stubborn areas like belly fat. When combined with intermittent fasting, results can be even more impressive. However, avoiding common mistakes like overeating or neglecting electrolytes is key to success. With proper hydration and a well-balanced approach, keto can offer long-term fat loss and stable energy, without the fatigue or cravings seen in other diets. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.